Hi, I'm Jack from Crewe Volkswagen and I'm going to show you around this approved used Volkswagen.
This is the T-Cross SEL finished in Reef blue metallic paint, featuring the 1 litre TSI petrol engine producing 115 PS with a 7-speed DSG automatic gearbox. You'll have peace of mind motoring in this vehicle with the approved used benefits alongside a full Volkswagen service history. Starting off at the front, you've got those LED daytime running lights and also full LED headlights, providing fantastic vision in all conditions. Running down the side of the car, you've got these lovely 17-inch alloy wheels that finish off the exterior perfectly, with your power folding and heated ring mirrors, as well as privacy glass from the B-pillar backwards. As you can see, you have a generous amount of boot space available, with the adjustable boot floor currently in its lowest setting, with split folding seats as well, so plenty of room there for your weekly shop plus much more. Moving inside, you've got the SEL upholstery with the park cloth and leather seats, with that lovely pattern there as well with ISOFIX points on the outer seats. There's also a couple of USB ports in the back for your rear passengers to charge their devices. And at the front of the vehicle, you've got a leather wrapped multifunction steering wheel and a centre armrest there to keep you nice and comfortable at all times. Alongside digital radio and multiple media functions such as your Bluetooth, you've also got Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, allowing you to mirror up some your smartphone directly onto the screen, such as Google Maps, Waze, Spotify and many more. And to help with parking, you've also got front and rear parking sensors. There's also an optionally fitted rear view camera as well. A little bit further down the cabin, as well as dual zone climate control, you also benefit from the optionally fitted winter pack, giving you heated front seats, with a little bit of storage just below there and a couple of USB ports so you can charge multiple devices on the move.
This vehicle comes with 2 years warranty, 2-year roadside assistance, as well as much more. If you need any more information, please call us on 01270 864 452 or inquire online now.